Dr. Cecilia Reyes, the Executive Director of NRCP, and Dr. Filimon Uriarte, the Chairman and CEO of the Asian Foundation, Mr. Erwin Oliva, Country Editor of Yahoo Philippines, Ms. Melly Tenorio, the President of the Philippine Science Journal and Program, and of course, Ms. Liz Resurrection of Business Mirror, and our very special guest, Mr. Casey Yun, the creative designer at Hyundai Motor Company, and to you, the young innovators, the future of a smart Philippines. Welcome to this space of innovative ideas, product of the proud partnership between the Association of the Vehicle Importers and Distributors and the Department of Science and Technology. Today is a very special day for all of us. You will get to interact with masters of the design and of science and technology, out-of-the-box thinkers. I invite you, learn, pick their brains. That is why you are here, to give you the privileged insight of how you can think differently and make a difference in your own chosen profession. The Icon Innovation in Mobility Expo surely tickled your imagination. As Mr. Yun mentioned in one media interview, there is no limit to human imagination. And so, there is no end to the new thinking and new possibilities that can make this world a better one for all of us. To those who have not yet gone around the expo, I invite you all to do so because you have right here the brains behind what is on exhibit at the Icon. You have seen and experienced the Hyundai concept car, the Ioniq, the next step in the evolution of fluidic sculpture, which is the design philosophy of Hyundai Motor Company. And we are privileged to have Mr. Casey Yun, who led the team of designers that developed, refined, and implemented the fluidic sculpture to the current breed of Hyundai automobiles. Also here are the innovative gurus from government and private sectors to give you an idea on where our country is and where we can go as far as innovation is concerned. And so, whatever your innovation inclination is, we have the best people to tell you about it and engage you and engage your brain calls to get into the innovation mindset. Icon and today's Innovation Speak are a call from AVID and DOST to you, young Filipinos, to embrace innovation as a factor that sets you apart as future members of our workforce. Innovation that keeps in mind your future market and innovation that will make the Philippines a formidable player in the global business arena. I leave each of you with this challenge. After you've listened to our guests and once you step out of this session, ask yourself, what is my innovation? Thank you very much, and good morning to each and all of you.